Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a top-load washing machine that won't drain. This video will take you through ways to do so and more, so watch until the end. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Power down your top-load washing machine and gauge the condition of your drain hose and filters. Straighten the drain hose if it's bent or kinked and clean your filters if they're blocked. Power up your top-load washing machine and assess whether it'll drain now. If it doesn't work, switch off the washing machine, detach the hose drain, and raise it above the water tub. Carefully position a container that you'll use to drain water. Lower your hose drain and drain the water into the container. Once the container is full, raise your drain hose above the water tub and later empty the container. Do this continuously until the water is drained. If your top-load washing machine doesn't drain automatically afterward, kindly contact a professional. So that's how you can fix a top-load washing machine that won't drain. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Till next time.